Lately, I've been feeling stressed with everything I'm trying to do. This is the SKG H7 Ultra Cordless Neck Massager. Let's get a tour of it. So it has 320 facet massage heads, and they cover more muscle surface, and they glide instead of poking, which gives it a smoother, more natural knead. You could put heat on it, so it's a deep tissue shiatsu massage that feels shockingly close to the real thing. I am in so much need of relaxation, and I can do this while I'm working. So let's talk about, this is how you charge it. It's plugged in right now. It has the indicator light, and it has some good weight behind it. You have the on and off switch, okay, the power. Then you have the heat. You have the speed, okay? So let me unplug it, and then I will turn it on. Hi. It said hi. Okay, so you're gonna put it on your neck, and then it has the strap. You can secure it to your waist, to the chair. And then it's going to start heat. I have the heat on. So
medium heat, high heat.
Medium heat, high heat.
Turn off heat.
Off heat. The light goes off if it's off.
High speed.
The speed.
Low speed.
The speed selector. Okay. So I set it for what I really like. I love the heat, and I love it on the highest pressure and the fastest. And you could see that the green light was blinking because it's fully charged, okay? I love the rolling motion because it really got in those tight spots of my neck instead of just vibrating right on top and did absolutely nothing. But the heat system, along with the rolling motion, definitely meant business, warm enough to relax that stubborn tension. I love the hands-free backpack style, so you can walk around because it's secure on your body. It's not going to fall off. And I could keep getting my work done. I really liked it. I like that it's cordless, that it's rechargeable, and the buttons literally are on, heat, motion. So simple. And you could switch between kneading, pinching, acupressure modes, plus the multiple heat levels. This, for me, is great for computer tension, stress, driving stress. Stress is the story of my life, but this SKG massager, it's just amazing. And the bottom line is your neck and your shoulders, they're the ones that constantly complain with the pain or the soreness. This thing is gonna help you really lose that stress and refocus. I do highly recommend this SKG Ultra Cordless Neck Massager. This video was sponsored.